Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Ikem Rasala. So for today's video, we're going to make a channel review on how much they earn on their YouTube channel, or we're going to make an estimated YouTube revenue using Social Blade. So our target is Malaya, and as you can see, she has 96 upload video on her YouTube channel with a total subscriber of 147,000, with a total video views of 4,878,126. So country is invisible or not stated. Channel type is people. User created January 29, 2012. And then total grade in Social Blade or on Social Blade. So Social Blade rank is 113,531. Subscriber rank is 170,714. Video views rank is 824,459, and there's no rank for the country because it's, I guess, invisible or it's hidden. So people's rank is 27,108. So as you can see, her subscriber for the last 30 days is 38,000, so higher of 214%. So I guess mataas talaga. And estimated monthly earnings of $263 to $4,200, and video views for the last 30 days is 1 million something. So mataas siya ng 302.9%. So we can find out later sa baba yung magkano nakuha niyang previous months na video views and yung subscriber count. So yung kanyang total subscriber weekly, so the graph is working good, and of course the estimated yearly earning is $3,200 to $50,500. So wow, I guess maraming nanonood sa kanya from USA or from the country with a high CPM. So for now, we're going to compute how much she earned on her YouTube channel, and for those who don't know, this is only an estimated revenue, guys. And please subscribe to my channel, Ikem Rasala. So we're going to compute monthly earnings. So she has $263 times 48. So 48 is the exchange rate here in Philippines. So she got 12,624. So that is the minimum or pinakang mababang estimated earnings. So i-check natin yung kanyang $4,200 times 48. So she got 201,600. So not bad. It's a huge money for me, guys. And then she have $3,200. So that would be estimated yearly earnings. So $3,200 times 48. So she got 153,600. So pinakababa yan, guys, sa yearly. And then yung pinakamataas niya is 50,000. So 50,500 times 48. So she got 2,424,000 pesos. Ayan. Big shout out to Malaya, and don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel. And yes, she is a blogger, a thespian, and yes. Yun yung nakita ko dun sa kanyang about. So dun lang ako nag-relay or basta nag-rely. So that is Malaya estimated YouTube revenue. So we're going to check out her YouTube summary. So makikita nyo dyan yung kanyang upload video from January 10, 2021. So yung naandyan nakalagay yung 4,000 subscriber, 2,000 subscriber, 1,000 subscriber. Yan yung mga nag-gain subscriber niya for the past video upload sa kanyang YouTube channel. And of course, yung video views. So inaabot siya ng hundreds of thousand video views, and then the estimated revenue is wow, it's working good, and the channel is nice, and yeah, the estimated is $31 to 400 something US dollars, so not bad. And I hope to see this channel more grow soon. And big shout out to her. Hey Malaya. So that is the summary, guys. Check it out, guys. So daily average of 1,200 something subscribers with 35,043 video views, and then the estimated revenue is $9 to 140 US dollars. And then weekly average of 8,000 something, 8.8 thousand subscriber to 245,301 video views, and then the estimated is $61 to 981 US dollars. OMG, this is, for me, this is it's hard for me to get this estimated. And last 30 days, so she got 38,000 subscriber with a total video views of 1,051,262, and then the estimated is $263 US dollars to 4,200 US dollars. So this is a huge amount, guys. So maybe she can get half of the estimated on her YouTube channel. For example, this 4,200 US dollars, maybe she can get here 3,000 US dollars. So that would be the estimated. And for those who don't know, yung mga viewers niya, since yung kanyang viewers is majority from the Philippines, and meron ding naliligaw dyan from the other country, for example USA, Canada, Australia, and a lot more. So Japan, Hong Kong, Taiwan. So yun, naiiba yung estimated earnings niya because of the viewers location or origin. So that is the estimated YouTube revenue of Hey Malaya. Big shout out to her. Don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel and try to watch her blog. And I found out it's she is a little joker, funny, and with a sense of humor. Yeah. So let's go to her monthly gain video views for Hey Malaya. So as you can see, every dot in there, it represent the month of how many video views she got in every month. So the recent one is from January 2021, and then November, December, October. So that is the video views for Hey Malaya. Ayan. And I know she can watch this estimated revenue, guys. Big shout out to her. Don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel. And then we're going to her monthly gain subscribe for her Malaya. So na last December she got 7,000, November 10,900, and October is 6,000, then 19,000 for September. August is 22,100. So she got a lot of subscriber for the past month, and no wonder she has a good video content on her YouTube channel. So I recommend you to subscribe Hey Malaya. She is amazing, guys. And she is all the way from Cebu. Yeah, I want to experience Cebu and all the happenings in there. I want to experience. So big shout out to the viewers and the followers of Hey Malaya. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Ikem Rasalas. So ayun, nagdi-differ ang estimated or ng earnings dahil sa mga viewers natin from outside the country or from USA, Canada, Australia. Ayan, those are the country with a high CPM. So since dito sa Pilipinas is yung 1,000 mo consider as $1, but if your viewers is from USA, malaki yung malaki yung earnings. For example, isang tao doon sa USA na nanonood sa iyo is times 3 or 4 if I am not mistaken. So that's for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Keep safe everyone, and big shout out to Hey Malaya. Ayan.